Hello friends, I'm Akansha Sahu. In this video tutorial, I'm going to discuss about a very important cell organelle which is exclusively present in plant kingdom, that is chloroplast. So basically in this video, we will discuss about the structure and function of chloroplast. So first, let's begin with the structure of chloroplast. As you can see, this is the sectional view of a chloroplast. Okay. It is a double membrane bound cell organelle found in the plant cells. This is the outer membrane and this is the inner membrane. Guys, one thing we have to remember here is that the inner membrane of chloroplast is quite impermeable to various kinds of molecules, or you can say the inner membrane of the chloroplast is relatively less permeable as compared to outer membrane. Now what does this mean? This means that the inner membrane allow only few specific type of molecules to pass through it while restricting the others. Okay. Now next we'll proceed with thylakoids. Now what is thylakoids? These flattened membranaceous sacs which you can see, these are known as thylakoids. Okay. These flattened membranaceous sacs are known as thylakoid. When these thylakoids are piled up together like this, when these thylakoids are piled up together, they are known as grana. Okay, this is a grana, this is a grana, and this is also a grana. Okay, now all these grana are collectively known as granum. Okay, all these grana are collectively known as granum. Okay, so generally grana is singular and granum is plural. Okay, now so the main photosynthetic pigment, that is chlorophyll, is generally present in the thylakoid membrane. Thylakoid is a single membranaceous structure and the chlorophyll which is required for the process of photosynthesis is present in the membrane of thylakoid. Okay, which is very vital for the autotrophic plants. Next we can see here is the double-stranded circular DNA. We all know that the only two cell organelles which have its own DNA and RNA are mitochondria and chloroplast. So chloroplast has double-stranded. DS means double-stranded circular DNA. Okay. So chloroplast has double-stranded circular DNA and it has 70S ribosome. Okay. 70S ribosome is comparatively smaller as compared to the nuclear ribosome. The nuclear ribosome is 80S and the chloroplast ribosome is 70S. That is why it is quite small as compared to nuclear ribosome. Okay. Next is the space which is enclosed by inner membrane. All this space which you can see is filled with a fluid like matrix which is known as stroma. Okay, this whole fluid like substance is known as stroma. Okay, now stroma is the main site of dark reaction which is a part of photosynthesis. Okay, the photosynthesis generally consists of two types of reaction. First is light reaction and second is dark reaction. Dark reaction occurs in stroma while light reaction occurs in thylakoid membrane. Okay. Next we'll proceed with stroma lamellae. These membranaceous tubules which are connected grana are known as stroma lamellae. Stroma lamellae. Okay. Stroma lamellae are also known as frets. Stroma lamellae are also known as frets. Okay. So this was all about the structure of chloroplast. Now, few more points I would like to add about chloroplast is as follows. Chloroplasts are found in mesophyll cells of leaves. Okay, mesophyll cells are the specific kinds of cells which are found in the leaves of a plant. Okay, so chloroplasts are found in the mesophyll cells of the leaves. Second, number maybe 20 to 40 per cell. Number of chloroplasts is 20 to 40 per cell. Okay. Next is the shape of a chloroplast may be oval. It can be oval, disc shaped, lens shaped, or it could be ribbon like nature. Okay, so these are few other points about the chloroplast. Next, we are going to discuss about the function of chloroplast. As I've already mentioned that chlorophyll is the very vital pigment which is required for the process of photosynthesis. So, now where is this chlorophyll pigment present? This chlorophyll pigment is generally present in the thylakoid membrane, which is the site of light reaction. So, the main primary function of chloroplast is to carry out the process of photosynthesis in order to synthesize carbohydrates and food for other consumers. So, this was all about the chloroplast. I hope you have understood well. Thank you.